Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Removes traces of inaccurate manicure from the skin and hidden opportunities for shaving foam. As it turned out, shaving foam not only helps in the best shaving, but has many other useful properties that few people can guess. That's why we will tell you about all the hidden possibilities of shaving foam. 1. Cleaning traces of careless manicure from the skin. Often, in a hurry trying to bring beauty to nails, girls accidentally smear varnish everywhere. A small amount of shaving foam will solve this problem. 2. In addition, shaving foam can easily cope with spots on your favorite carpet. To do this, you need to rub the foam on the stain and leave for 20 minutes, and this problem will not bother you anymore. 3. In addition, the foam is able to clean the surfaces of stainless steel and give them shine. There is much important for every mistress who meets such a problem. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.